walking down these empty streets. Shadows echo where love used to be. Cold wind whispers like a friend, but it only reminds me of the end. I scream, but no one hears me call. I reach, but there's no hand at all. Just me and my thoughts in the dark, trying to mend a broken heart. I'm lost in the silence, drowning inside, falling through echoes with nowhere to hide. The night feels so heavy, the stars never shine. Tell me, will I ever be fine? Every smile feels like a disguise, hiding the storm behind my eyes. People pass but they don't see the war that's tearing inside of me. Maybe tomorrow the sun will rise. Maybe one day I'll believe the lies, that I'm not alone, that I'm not too far gone, that someone still cares if I hold on. I'm lost in the silence, drowning inside, falling through echoes with nowhere to hide. The night feels so heavy, the stars never shine. Tell me, will I ever be fine? But I'll keep walking step by step through the darkness, out of this death. Maybe someday I'll see the light. Maybe someday I'll be alright. I'm lost in the silence.